U.S. stocks bounced back on Thursday morning thanks to bargain hunting on Wall Street after both the Dow Jones Industrial Index and the S&P 500 plummeted on Wednesday and wiped out their 2018 gains. Traders said investors went bargain hunting after the market rout on Wednesday that saw the Dow fall 608 points or 2.4% and the S&P 500's index fall 84.59 points or 3.1%, and the Nasdaq enter correction territory. Strong results from companies like Microsoft, Visa, and Comcast helped send stocks higher on Wall Street, with their stocks climbing 5.4%, 2.9%, and 3.3% respectively. Tesla also soared a record profit of $8. JPG height equals 404 width equals 634 alt equals class equals book order img share copy link to paste in your message. The strong earnings helped Nasdaq-listed companies rebound after the tech-heavy index was hit with its worst decline since 2011 in the previous session. Microsoft jumped and beat consensus estimates for revenue and profit. That, along with gains in chip makers, helped technology stocks rise to 89% on Thursday. The latest round of upbeat results came from a wide range of companies, including Visa, Whirlpool, Twitter, and American Airlines, and offered relief after the earnings season began on a tepid note and then geared lower on sluggish outlook from tech manufacturers and chip makers. Share this article. Share Wednesday's market decline led to worry over the impact of tariffs and China's slowdown on corporate profits. S&P's value fell to a 2.5-year low of 15.3 times profit estimates for the next 12 months from 15.8, according to Refinitiv data. Concerns ranging from rising costs, bond yields, Italy's budget, and the upcoming U.S. midterm elections sparked the rout on Wednesday. It's a little bit of a bargain hunting bounce back. I don't think the markets have fully gotten over the fear factor, said Omar Aguilar, Chief Investment Officer for Equities at Charles Schwab Investment Management in San Francisco. I think when people look at economic data and focus more on the earnings front, we are going to see more of a fundamental bounce. Today is a little more technical, he added. JPG height equals 465 width equals 634 alt equals class equals book order img share copy link to paste in your message. By 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the Dow Jones Industrial Average was up 394 points, or 1.48%, at 24,948.36. The S&P 500 was up 45.81 points, or 1.72%, at 2,701.91, and the Nasdaq Composite was up 177.75 points, or 2.50%, at 7,286.15. Results from S&P 500 companies have pushed up third-quarter profit growth estimates to 23.6% from 21.8% in the last 10 days. But our forecasts have pulled down fourth-quarter growth estimates to 19.4% from 19.9%, Refinitiv data shows. Ford Motor, which is struggling with sales in China, rose 8.2% as its earnings report raised hopes for a strong finish to the year, bolstering gains in the consumer discretionary sector. Advanced Micro Devices' weak forecast sent its stock tumbling 16.1%, but the Philadelphia Semiconductor Index rose 1.5% 97%, helped by Xilinx's 15.2% jump on its strong quarterly report. Intel gained 4.3%, Alphabet 3.8% and Amazon 5.1% ahead of their quarterly reports after the closing bell. The S&P index recorded no new 52-week highs and 34 new lows, while the Nasdaq recorded 12 new highs and 187 new lows. Overall, only two S&P 500 sectors are up this month: consumer staples and utilities.